Hello, my name is Stephen Young with IBM Support, and today I'd like to showcase a new way for you to interact with the support portal and improve your support experience. On the IBM Support page, you will see this blue AI button on the bottom right. This is the support assistant which many of our users already use to open cases, view and update them, and to contact the support team using the direct chat option where available. Now, in addition to the primary support assistant, IBM has added additional product-specific secondary chat functions. These include product-tailored info cards, as well as a Gen AI enhanced information search. To access the product-specific assistant, you can go to the My Support page. Click the blue button to open the assistant, and select Ask a Product Question. Then, type in your product name to switch the assistant context to your product, or type the name and a question to immediately trigger the Gen AI search. Additionally, you can go directly to a product support page and click the same blue button to access the assistant directly. For products that have enabled the secondary support assistant, you will see a new menu of card options that product's team has created with information and options specific to their product. If the information you are looking for is not in the pre-generated card options, you can use the Gen AI chat option to ask your question instead. The chat option is triggered by asking a question on the initial screen for the assistant. If you are not on the initial page, click the refresh button to refresh your conversation. Then, simply type your question into the text field at the bottom. This will trigger a Gen AI search of documentation, public releases, and known issues related to your product, and will generate a response to answer your query. In addition, the Gen AI will provide a number of links that will include additional information and details about your question. We hope you will try the chat option, and please be sure to leave feedback as we are always looking to improve your support experience. Thank you, and have a good day.